I'm Dr. Wang and we are at Quantum Wellness Bioresonance at Damansara Perdana. We provide bioresonance diagnostics and therapy here. Over my 9 years of practice and Madam Go's 6 years of practice in the center, we have been taking care of people with digestive issues, people with skin issues like allergies, and even respiratory issues like asthma, people with depression, and basically people who just want to maintain their overall health. And one of the very special programs I've had really good results with is infertility. Basically, women who struggle to get pregnant or conceive. We also take patients with no other hopes. They can't take drugs, they can't do surgery. Then these are the people who come and still find a solution to their health issues. Because rather than going to the clinic and just receiving drugs that basically just suppress your symptoms, why not find out the root causes of your chronic illnesses that you cannot find solutions to? You can also treat bioresonance therapy as a good health maintenance tool, because bioresonance therapy is so safe and non-invasive, at the same time very effective as not only a sole therapy, but also as an adjunctive, meaning supportive therapy for whatever this person is already receiving. We don't only provide bioresonance diagnostics and therapy, we also do pain management using PhysioMed physiotherapy, deep oscillation therapy, which is one of a kind in the whole of Malaysia. If you want to find out more and make your appointment, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We'll be always there for you.